Today, we're going to be talking about HappyFox's Satisfaction Survey Report. HappyFox offers a lot of different types of reports. In order to view those reports, you'll simply go up to the main menu, scroll down, click on Reports. From here, again, today we're going to be talking about specifically the Satisfaction Survey Report. So we'll click on Satisfaction Survey. And just like any of our other reports, up top you'll be able to refresh the screen. You'll be able to choose between this category or that category. You'll be able to select all categories if you want to. You can even select a specific date range in which you would like to see reporting for. Once you've selected all the different parameters up top, you'll see the total number of feedback that have been received from your surveys. You'll see the average CSAT score for your team, the total number of surveys that came back satisfied, neutral, and unsatisfied. Below, you'll be able to see the top agent metrics for the agent who received the most feedback or who requested the most feedback. You'll even be able to change the view in which you look at this information. Same idea with the top contact metrics, so which one of your contacts or end users has submitted tickets that was requested feedback. When did they send it in? What did they rate their feedback as? And again, here, you can also change the way that you view this information as well. Below, we'll show you how those surveys were distributed based on a particular survey. Again, with HappyFox, you can create any number of different CSAT surveys. And so here you would have a list of all the different surveys that have gone out, the number of times that feedback was requested based on that survey and those conditions, the number of times that the feedback was received, the average CSAT score for that particular survey, and then the number of satisfied, neutral, and unsatisfied options that were selected. Below that, we'll have the same exact information, but it'll be based on the agent. So we'll find out how many times an agent has requested feedback on a ticket, how many times feedback was received, what their average CSAT score was, and then how many times specifically they were rated as satisfied, neutral, or unsatisfied. Again, based on the contact information, again, we'll be able to see the same metrics about our contact or our end user. We'll also be able to see how many times in a particular category feedback was requested, received, and what the average scores were there. Lastly, we have a really awesome timeline that allows you to view the feedback that was requested by agent, and you can also select a few different options here as far as the total number of times that, let's say, a contact was satisfied or provided a different response. Should you have any other questions regarding this particular report or any of our other reports, you can always go directly to our knowledge base at support.happyfox.com, or you can submit a ticket to us if you're not able to find the information you need. Thanks for watching.